Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a variety of methods on how to perform the hot shot cut. Start in straddle grip and then move your index finger to the long edge of the deck with your ring and middle finger. Then slide your index finger and thumb down to the middle of the cards using your pinky to push the cards. Move your middle finger to your thumb and contact the cards whilst rotating the cards 90 degrees anti-clockwise using your index finger. Contact the bottom half of the deck with the side of your middle finger and the top half of the deck with your thumb like so. After this point, break the deck in half by moving the thumb upwards and the middle finger down. Keep splitting the cards until the point where the base of the thumb clears the bottom packet. Next, rotate the top packet out by rotating your thumb like so, flattening out the hand and extending the middle finger. Once in this position, with the packets parallel, support the packet currently supported by the middle finger with the pinky finger at the bottom short edge. Next, you want to get the index finger under this packet, and to do this, lift the packet up by applying pressure downwards onto the packet using the middle finger. Then slide the index finger under the packet by moving the thumb and index finger towards the packet. Line the bottom packet up with the top packet, leaving the index finger wedged between the packets. Next, drop the packet into the hand, maintaining the index's position. I personally like to leave the top packet in this out jog position. From here, move the index to touch the bottom card at the top corner about 1 centimeter from both sides with the flesh of your finger and apply some pressure upwards. Next, you need to pivot the card out around the middle finger. To do this, have the middle finger in the middle of the long edge and extend the index finger whilst moving it down slightly. Pivot the card until it is perpendicular to the rest of the cards. Whilst pivoting the card, I also like to push the top packet backwards using my middle finger so the two packets line up like so. At this point, you want to perform the shot move. To do this, you want to place the middle finger at the bottom right corner like so. Place the thumb on top of the packet and apply a bit of pressure. Experiment with the amount of pressure, as too much can prevent the move being performed and too little will cause the cards to move about. Next, curl the middle finger in all the way to shoot the card. Tips: the quicker you curl your finger, the further the cards will go. Flick the hand upwards as you perform the curling action to gain more height. The amount the card is out of the deck affects how far the card will go. You want the card to be as far out as possible, but with it still being comfortable and you being able to touch the bottom right corner of the cards. You can alter how far the cards come out by altering where you touch the card with the index finger and middle finger placement. Experiment to see what works best for you. There are other ways to achieve the top shot position, such as beginning to perform a charlier cut, stopping at this point, flipping this packet out by extending the index finger, and then supporting it with the middle, ring and pinky fingers, and securing the corner between the pinky and ring fingers in this gap. Next, flick the other packet back using the thumb, keeping your index extended, and close the other packet on top of the index by curling the fingers in. Now you're in the same position as earlier and can now finish the move. Another simpler way to get into the move is by starting a charlier cut, pushing the bottom packet back anti-clockwise like so, then dropping the top packet so it is out-jogged and contacting the face of the packet with the index finger. You are now in the same position as earlier.